Moodle tutorial series. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a quiz in Moodle and set options for interacting with the quiz. And you'll notice that I'll frequently come up here and pause the record option. That's so you don't have to wait for each screenshot. Of course, you can always drink a cup of coffee like I do. Okay, so let's get started. This is the home page that you'll see once you log into Moodle. And so what we want to do is click on the course that I've created called UMUC Moodle 101. And this is the teacher view that you'll see, and it's titled Weekly Outline. And so what we want to do is add an activity, specifically a quiz. The first thing we do is turn editing on. And once we do that, you can see how we can add activities for each week. So for the week of December the 8th, we want to add a quiz. So click over here on Add an Activity, select Quiz, and this is the screen that you'll come to titled Adding a New Quiz to Week 2. First of all, we must put a name for our quiz. Anything that's in red is mandatory field that you have to fill out, so I'm going to put quiz number 1, and then I'll put maybe something about the quiz so I can remember it. Letter. Okay, now we'll scroll down here and you can see there's all sorts of options as you look down here. We'll just set one option on here. Hopefully you can play with this, and in the quiz that you'll submit to me you'll have quite a few options chosen. So let's say that we started on the 9th of December and we'll have it end on the 10th of December. And just looking at some of these choices, questions per page, shuffle questions, or shuffle within questions, these are all things that you may want to choose if people are sitting close to each other. So we'll come down here, security, and if you get a chance you can look at some of these options and just play with them. Let's go down to overall feedback, and if someone gets 100%, of course we want to tell them, great job. And as we scroll down here, let's save and return to the course right here. And we'll come back to the main teacher screen, and as you can see, for the week of December the 8th through the 14th we have a quiz, and what we want to do now is go in and add some questions to the quiz. So we'll click on quiz number 1. And as you can see, no questions have been added yet, so that's what we're going to do here. And let's scroll down over here which says create a new question, and as you can see, again, there are lots of options for you. There's calculated, description, essay, one of my favorites. Let's just do multiple choice for this to make it very easy for you. And so then we come to the next screen, and as you can see, there's the category question name. We must put something for the question name, so I'm going to put question number 1, and then the question text, which will be is the name of Hester's daughter. Y'all will remember from the Scarlet Letter. Okay, so that's our question text, and then we'll scroll down here, and for choice 1 let's just go ahead and put the answer. I'm sure you all knew this, and if they get that answer we'll put a grade of 100%, meaning that they got 100% of that question right. Choice 2 we'll put Patty, and for the next choice we'll put Pam, and then for choice 4 let's put Priscilla, and let's just not even have a choice 5. And for any correct response let's put something like you are correct, and we won't worry about any of those now. And you'll come back to this screen and you look at it and think, wait a minute, I thought I added some questions. Well, that may be written there, but down here you'll see all of your questions, and this gives you the option of selecting which ones you want to add and which ones you don't want to add. You may want to add some, and then maybe if you didn't get to the place you wanted to in the book, you may not want to add some of those at the end. So let's select that and then put add to quiz. And there you go. This question has been added to the quiz, and so you've successfully created a quiz. Thank you.